Are you still ruining your breakfast by adding milk to your scrambled eggs? You deserve better. What if I told you that you could make rich, velvety, decadent eggs at home that rival the best 5-star hotels using just 3 simple ingredients? In the next few minutes, let's make the best scrambled eggs of your life. First, forget the milk. The secret to incredible eggs isn't adding liquid, it is controlling the heat. Milk dilutes the flavor and separates during cooking, leaving you with watery, rubbery eggs. We want pure, concentrated egg flavor. Step 1. The setup. Crack 3 large fresh eggs directly into a cold, non-stick pan or saucepan. That is right, cold. We do not want them to start cooking yet. Add a generous knob of cold, unsalted butter right in there with the eggs. Do not whisk them yet, and crucially, do not add salt yet. Salt breaks down the egg structure and can make them watery if added too early. Step 2. The low and slow magic. Place your pan on medium-low heat. As the butter begins to melt, start stirring with a silicone spatula. You're not frying these eggs, you're massaging them. Use the spatula to sweep right around the edges and cut through the middle. This is the most important part. If the pan gets too hot, simply lift it off the burner for a few seconds while keeping the eggs moving, then place it back on. This on-off technique ensures the proteins cook gently, creating soft, creamy curds rather than hard lumps. Step 3. The finishing touches. Watch closely. As the mixture thickens and looks like a soft custard, take the pan off the heat completely. The residual heat in the pan will finish the cooking for you. Now, and only now, is the time to season. Add a pinch of sea salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. If you want to be extra decadent, you can stir in a teaspoon of creme fraiche here to stop the cooking instantly, but it is delicious without it too. Now, pour your rich golden eggs over a slice of hot buttered toast. Top it with some finely chopped chives for a pop of color. This isn't just breakfast, it is an experience. A truly satisfying, comforting, and luxurious treat that you can make in your own kitchen in minutes. If you're ready to upgrade your morning routine forever, please hit that like button and subscribe to Another How To Guru for more delicious secrets. How do you eat your eggs? Let us know in the comments.